P means potence, that is means power, H means hydrogen. So pH means the power of hydrogen. In other words, pH is the measure of the H positive ion concentration. Okay. It shows H positive concentration in moles per liter. Here is this scale. You can see here we have a long rectangular strip. It has 14 parts. This is the part 1 here. This is the part 2. This is part 3 here. Similarly, part 4, part 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Here in upper part, you see this represents the H positive ions. Okay, by dots here. And the lower part below this diagonal shows the concentration of OH negative ion OH negative ions. Okay. Here, when pH is 0, it means the very high concentration of H positive ions and negligible concentration of OH negative ions. Okay. When pH is 1, it means high concentration of H positive ions and very low concentration of OH negative ions. Okay. We see when pH moves from 0 to 14, see here, H positive ion concentration is decreasing and OH negative ion concentration is increasing. So in other words, we can also say decrease in pH value here increases the acidic character, and increase in pH value from 0 to 14 increases the basic character and decreases the acidic character. At pH 7, the H positive ion concentration and OH negative ion concentration is equal. It means like this: plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. At pH 7, H positive ions and OH negative ions are in equal concentration. They neutralize each other, and hence pH 7 stands for neutral. Okay. Pure water, sodium chloride solution, glucose solution, they show pH value 7, which means neutral. pH below 7 means the acidic. pH above 7 means the basic. Okay. pH 0 to 2 means highly acidic or strong acids. pH 3 to 4 means moderate acids with moderate strength, and pH 5 6 means acids with weak strength or weak acids. pH 7 already mentioned means neutral. pH 8 or 9, 8 to 9 means the weak bases. pH 10 and 11, 10 or 11 or 10 to 11 shows moderate bases or bases with moderate strength, and pH 12 to 14 means bases with high strength or higher concentration, strong bases. Examples of strong bases are here: sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Examples of weaker bases are the calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, etc. Okay. Now we can also understand this pH value in these terms. pH 0 means H positive concentration is 1 mole per liter. Here 0 means H positive concentration, ion concentration is 1 mole per liter. Okay. pH 1 means pH 1 means 10 H positive ion concentration is 10 raised to power minus 1, that's equal to 1 over 10, that's equal to 0.1 mole per liter. Similarly, if a solution has pH 2 equal to 2, it means it has higher hydrogen ion concentration 10 raised to power minus 2, that is equal to 1 over 10 raised to power 2, that is equal to 1 over 10 raised to power 2 means 100. That is equal to, this stands for 1 here. For this we will raise up 0. For 1 we will raise up point. Here 0.01 mole per liter. Okay. Similarly, pH 6 means pH value equal to 6. It means 10 raised power pH hydrogen ion concentration is H positive ion concentration is 10 raised power minus 6. That is equal to 1 over 1 into 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.0. That is equal to 0.00000001 mole of H positive ions per liter. Okay. Now let us see the pH of the basic solutions. Here, now it is clear up to you that acid is having lower value of pH, that means lower than 7, are strong acids. If they have very low value from 0 to 1 pH, and also 2, pH 2 also means strong acids. pH 3 and 4, 3 to 4 means weak acids, moderately weak acids, and pH 5 to 6 means very weak acids, 7 means neutral. Okay. pH 8 to 9 means very weak bases. pH 10 to 11 shows moderately weak bases. pH 12 to 14 shows strong bases. Okay, you must not confuse yourselves. If you have any question further, you can ask me on the phone. My phone number is 9682 395509. Okay, you can ask any question if you have. This is my phone number. Now, how we measure pH? It is a question. We measure the pH value by universal indicator pH. Universal pH paper or indicator. pH has a greater value in our body. Our blood has pH 7.3 to 7.5. The pH of blood is 7.3 to 7.5. This is the normal range of the pH of blood. The pH of our saliva is pH of saliva. It can be asked in the multiple choice answers or questions. 6.5 to 7.5. 6.5 to 7.5. pH of tomato juice is 4. pH of tomato juice is 4. pH of blood is 7.3 to 7.5. pH of saliva is 6.5 to 7.5. You are often asked you are also advised to while taking, if you have the acidic problem and you want to take tomato etc., eat tomato etc., you should add a pinch of this baking soda to the tomato